Welcome to this series on simple home remedies that work. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. What's a simple home remedy for that? Is there one that works? Of course, we got you. If you have the hiccups and you want to get rid of it in seconds, just pour yourself a glass of water, drink it up real quick. Don't choke yourself though. Drink it up and voila! Hiccups will be gone, I assure you. There are other remedies too, but no need to mention them. This is the one that works 100% all the time. You're welcome. Stay tuned for more remedies.